One more time, we're gonna celebrate you. Hi guys, I'm Andrew from 2FAS, and if you are here, that means that you are a crypto user. That's good, because today we will talk about how to turn on 2FA on your Binance account. It's fairly easy, so just follow my steps and we will be done in just a few minutes. Okay, so first of all, let's log into our Binance account, and after you log in, you will see your desktop. On the upper right corner, you will see a login. Hover over it and choose Security. Now, when you click it, you will see big 2FA option. We will choose this first one, which says Google Authenticator, used for withdrawals and security modifications. Okay, let's click on the On button. Okay, and now it will say to begin, please download and install the Google Authenticator app. Of course, you know it and I know it. We will use the better one, which is 2FAS. So let's just click on the button Next Step. Now you will see your private key. Just in case, additional to other backup methods, simply save this key. Now, let's click Next Step and you will see a QR code. And now it's time to use our 2FA app, which is 2FAS. At least for me. Okay, so let's open our app. Let's tap on the plus icon and let's choose Scan QR code. Now, let's point our camera at the screen with QR code, and that's it. Binance added. Now we can customize this token by tapping on the Customize button, and let's change branding for Binance. Here it is. Okay. And that's it. Now let's click on the Next Step. Login password, just for safety. Now let's retype the token, which is now 308631, and enable authentication. And great success, we did it. Now, as you can see, 2FA option is on. You can disable it, but I strongly recommend you not to do that. Just in case, also, I recommend you to turn on SMS authentication. As you can see, I've showed you how to turn on 2FA on Binance.us account, but it is the same on Binance.com account. And that's it. I've told you it will be quick and easy. If you have any questions, simply leave a comment. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and remember to subscribe to our channel. See you!